Good morning children, welcome back to maths class. Again multiplication exercises, page number 168. Today we are going to learn about multiplication of 3-digit number. What it is? Multiplication of 3-digit number by 1-digit number with carrying. See, find the product. What is product? The result of multiplication is called product. So, find the product also. We should do the multiplication only. Okay. And first sum 127 multiplied by 3. In the 2 digits number all you practiced well now. Come to 3-digit number 127 multiplied by 3. 3 sevens are 21. In this 21 you have to write 1 in this place, 2 in a side, and 3 2s are 6. In this 6 you can add with 2. 6 plus 2 8, and 1 3s are 3. So 3 sevens are 21. In this 21 1 in the ones place, 2 in a side, and 2 3s are 6. 6 plus 2 8, and 1 3 ones are 3 only. So 127 multiplied by 3 is equal to 381. Come to next sum 229 multiplied by 2. 2 9s are 18. In this 18, 8 in the ones place, 1 in a side, and 2 2s are 4. 4 plus 1 5, and 2 2s are 4. So 229 multiplied by 2 is equal to 458. Come to next sum 115 multiplied by 4. 4 5s are 20. In this 20 you can write 0 here, 2 in a side, and 4 ones are 4. 4 plus 2 6. Then 4 ones are 4. So 115 multiplied by 4 is 460. 133 multiplied by 5. 5 3s are 15. 5 3s are 15. In this 15 you have to write 5 in the ones place, 1 in a side, and 5 3s are again the same one. 5 3s are 15. 15 plus 1, don't forget to add this 1. Okay, you should keep in mind 5 3s are 15. 15 plus 1 16. You should write 6 in this tens place, and again you should write 1 in the side. In the 16, 6 in the tens place, 1 in the side, and 5 ones are 5. 5 plus 1 6. Here 2 carry overs. Tens place also carry over. 100 place also carry over it. Okay. Here 1 carry over only, but in this sum 133 multiplied by 5. 5 3s are 15. In this 15, 5 in the ones place, 1 in the side, and again 5 3s are 15. 15 plus 1 16. In the 16, 6 in the tens place and 1 in the side. Again 5 ones are 5. 5 plus 1 6. Tens place and hundreds place carry over it comes. Okay. Keep concentrate and do the sums. And 180 multiplied by 5. 5 zeros are 0 only. Very good. 5 zeros are 0, and 5 8s are 40. In this 40, 0 in the tens place, 4 in a side. Again 1 5s are 5 only. 5 plus 4 9. So 180 multiplied by 5 is equal to 900. Come to next sum 365 multiplied by 2. 2 5s are 10. In this 10, 0 in the ones place, 1 in the side. Again 2 6s are 12. You can add this number with 12. 12 plus 1 13. In this 13 you have to write 3 in the tens place. Again you should write down 1 by 1 only you can write. Then only you can add easily. Okay. Here and there don't write. If you want to carry again means you should write it in the down. Okay. 2 5s are 10. In this 10, 0 is here, 1 in this, and again 2 6 are 12. This one you have to carry, and 12 plus 1 13. In this 13, 3 in the place, 10's place, 1 we should write it again, and 2 3s are 6. With this 6 you can add the 1. 6 plus 1 7. So 365 multiplied by 2 is equal to 730. Come to 464 multiplied by 2. 2 4s are 8. 2 4s are 8. And 2 6 are 12. In this 12, 2 in the tens place, 1 in carry over, and 2 4s are 8. With this 8, you can add the 1. So 8 plus 1, 9. 464 multiplied by 2. 4 2s are 8. 2 6 are 12. 2 in the place, 1 in the side. Again 4 2s are 8. 8 plus 1, 9. So 464 multiplied by 2 is equal to 928. Here 182 multiplied by 4. 4 2s are 8 and 4 8s are fourth table, you can say up to 8. So 4 8s are 32. In this 32, 2 you have to write in the tens place, 3 in a side, and 1 4s are 4. 4 plus 3, 7. Don't forget to add this 3. You should take the carry over. So 4 2s are 8, 4 8s are 32. In this 32, 2 in the tens place, 3 in the side. Again 4 1s are 4. 4 plus 3, 8, 7. Okay. So 182 multiplied by 4 is equal to 728. 127 multiplied by 7. 7 7s are 7th table. Up to 7, you have to say step by step. Then only you can read well the tables. Always I insist to practice the tables well. Without tables we can't do the sums. So practice well the tables. 7 7s are 49. In this 49, you should write the 9 in the ones place, 4 in a side, and 7 2s are 14. 14 plus 4, you can add this 4 no. So 14 plus 4, 18. In this 18, 8 in this place. Again 1 carry over, you should write it in the down only. 2 times carry over means whatever the number you can write 1 by 1. Then only you can take it easily. Okay, 7 7s are 49. In this 49, 9 in the ones place, 4 in the side. Again 2 7s are 14. 14 plus 4, 18. In this 18, 8 in the tens place, 1 in the side. Again 7 ones are 7. 7 plus 1, 8. So 127 multiplied by 7 is equal to 889. You should read the number loudly. Okay. And 112 multiplied by 8. 8 2s are 16. In the 16, 6 in the ones place, 1 in the side. 8 ones are 8. 8 plus 1, 9. Again 1 means are 8. So 112 multiplied by 8 is equal to 896. Come to next sum. 328 multiplied by 3. 3 8s are 24. Third table up to 8 you have to say 3 8s are 24. In this 24, 4 in the ones place. In this 24, ones place, tens place, 4 in this ones place. You have to keep the 2 in a side, and 3 2s are 6. 6 plus 2, 8. Then 3 3s are 9. All the places you should keep in mind. Write the number, and ones place number only you can write it in the ones place. Tens place number you should keep it in the side. So 328 multiplied by 3. 3 8s are 24. And this is 24. 4 in this place, 2 in the side. 2 3s are 6. 6 plus 2, 8. 3 3s are 9. So 328 multiplied by 3 is equal to 984. Whatever the sums you do, you should do the rechecking. If you make 6. 6 fours are 24. In this 24, 4 in this place, 2 in a side, and again 6 fours are 24. 24 plus 2, 26. Again 2 in a side, 1 6 are 6. 6 plus 2, 8. So 144 multiplied by 6 is equal to 864. Come to next sum. 242 multiplied by 4. 4 2s are 8 and 4 4s are 16. In this 16, 6 in the tens place, 1 in a side. Again 4 2s are 8. 8 plus 1, 9. 242 multiplied by 4 is equal to 968. 134 multiplied by 7. 7 4s are 7th table up to 4 numbers. You have to say 7 4s are 28. In this 28, 8 in the ones place, 2 in a side. Again 7 3s are 21. 21 plus 2, 23. In this 23, 3 in this place. Again you should write the 2 for carrying over, and 7 ones are 7 plus 2, 9. So 134 multiplied by 7 is equal to 938. Come to next sum. 131 multiplied by 6. 6 ones are 6. 6 3s are 6th table up to 3. You have to say 6 3s are 18. In this 18, 18 in this tens place, 1 in a side, and again 6 ones are 6. 6 plus 1, 7. So 131 multiplied by 6 is equal to 786. Come to next sum. 287 multiplied by 3. 3 sevens are third table up to 7 number. You have to say and find out the product. 3 sevens are 21. In this 21, 1 in this one's place, 2 in a side. Again 3 eights are 24. 24 plus 2. 24 plus 2, 26. In this 26, you have to write the 6 in this place. Again 2 for carrying over, and 2 3s are 6. 6 plus 2, 8. One more time. 3 sevens are 21. In this 21, 1 in this one's place, 2 in the side. Again 3 eights are 24. 24 plus 2, 26. In this 26, 6 in the tens place, 2 in the side. Again 3 2s are 6. 6 plus 2, 8. So 287 multiplied by 3 is equal to 861. Come to next sum. 358 multiplied by 2. 2 8s are 16. 6 in this place, 1 in the side. 2 5s are 10. 10 plus 1, 11. Again 1 in the tens place, 1 in the side. 2 3s are 6. 6 plus 1, 7. 358 multiplied by 2. 2 8s are 16. In the 6 and 1 inside. 2 5s are 10. 10 plus 1, 11. 11 in this 1 in tens place, and again 1 for carry over, and 2 3s are 6. 6 plus 1, 7. 358 multiplied by 2 is equal to 716. Come to next sum. 284 multiplied by 3. 3 4s are 12. In this 12, 2 in the ones place, 1 keep it in the side, and 3 8s are 24. 24 plus 1, 25. In this 25, 5 in the tens place, 2 in the side, and again 3 2s are 6. You should add this 2. 6 plus 2, 8. 284 multiplied by 3 is equal to 852. 3 4s are 12. For this 12, 2 in this place, 1 in the side. Again 3 8s are 24. 24 plus 2. 24 plus 1, 25. 5 in this place, 2 in the side. 2 3s are 6. 6 plus 2, 8. So 284 multiplied by 3 is equal to 852. Come to next one. 225 multiplied by 4. 4 5s are 20, 0 in this place, 2 in the side, again 2 4s are 8, 8 plus 2 10, 0 in this place, 1 in the side, 2 4s are 8, 8 plus 1 9. So 225 multiplied by 4 is equal to 900. Come to next sum, 244 multiplied by 3. 244 multiplied by 3. 3 4s are 12. In this 12, you have to write 2 in this one's place, 1 in a side for carry over, and 3 4s are again the same 12. 12 plus 1, 13. In this 13, 3 in the tens place, 1 in a side. Again 3 2s are 6. 6 plus 1, 7. So 244 multiplied by 3 is equal to 732. Practice well the tables, practice the sums, and while carrying over and whatever the number you can make it side now, that one also keep concentrate and do the carry over, then only you will get the correct answer. Keep on practicing. Thank you, children.